Hey folks, what's going on? We are on our way again. We're leaving Martinsburg, where if you were watching us yesterday, you'll see what we were up to. Uh, we have a link to that video here. We're on our way to Adventures on the Gorge. Is that right?
That's correct.
Adventures on the Gorge near Fayetteville in West Virginia. We are heading to a conference of travel writers and editors at which yours truly is speaking, and we're getting ready to go. We're really excited. New folks here. I'm Carmen, Gentile, founder of Postindustrial. This is Lindsay, Fleuriet, creative director, and the vermouth to my dry martini. We are on our way to this conference. We're going to be a few hours drive. We're going to show you a little bit of what we see along the way. Sounds good?
Let's check it out.
All right.
Let's
Later,
do it.
Folks. Give this guy a wide berth.
Crossroad vehicle.
That's right.
Look at these Adirondack chairs.
Yeah.
All in a row, ready for a campfire.
Yeah. Oof.
Yeah.
We're getting into a holler. I think this qualifies as a holler, folks.
My ears are popping.
Mine too. Bends going down here. I'm not getting out of here in the dark. We're leaving before the dark. Absolutely. We're going to leave by 7:15 or 7:30. Okay?
Yeah.
We have to.
Yeah.
I can't. Neither one of us can drive this in the dark. Let's just be honest.
Yeah.
Let's be full-throated about our limitations as they are. Is this guy driving? Or is this guy parked?
I don't know. Looks like this guy might be parked. I think those guys are up there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, gents. How's it going? Is it okay if we pull around you? Is we can get around? Okay. Let's see. Lindsay, can you help me out on this side?
Yeah. You got it. You got it. Definitely. Yeah.
I definitely have it?
Yep.
I can't see right. Full disclosure, my depth perception is not that strong.
You're good.
At this distance. Thanks, guys. Pretty proud of that movie.
Yeah. Well done.
For me, that is no easy task.
Well done.
Thank you.
It's been raining out here all day.
Yeah. But the way it rains here and the way that fog catches the hillside. It's almost like a tropical forest.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Paved.
All right.
Is that still a holler? I'm asking seriously. Is that a holler?
Yeah. I mean,
this is the road we came down today, is it not?
I don't know.
No, it's not.
It's a little pull-off area, I guess. You need to take a break, maybe turn around, maybe regret your decisions.
Yeah, this is
I mean, I guess this is... Well, on these roads, if you see another car coming, you have to pull over. Somebody has to pull over.
Somebody has to give.
Just,
That's going to be me.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah. Instant. This is in the place where we need to be.
Yeah, keep going. Like, watch this church van. Oh,
Yeah.
You have enough room.
Oh, that's good.
Church van, doing the Lord's work.
Making the rounds.
Yeah. All right.
We gotta go around this.
Yeah. Go around this bend.
Oh, Elm Street. All
Yeah.
right. Nothing bad ever happened on Elm Street, if memory serves me.
Okay.
We did pass this. This is a school. We passed this today. We came up this road. So that is, we may have come from that direction because the bus we were on probably couldn't make it up that hill.
Okay.
That's an old school, I believe. Someone, the bus driver remarked today. And as always, there's a Dollar General.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is Walnut Street, I believe.
Okay.
We're gonna make a right. Watch this
it.
truck.
I got it. All right, now what? Is that like a turn somewhere here? Up here?
Mm-hmm. 300 feet.
Oh.
There we go. It's coming up. Oh my God. Right
Is it?
there? Oh my God. I don't know.
Are you serious? This is it?
I don't know.
This can't be right. No.
You could just keep going.
This is saying that this is US 60. I don't think this is US 60. We're like in somebody's backyard.
Yeah.
And there's a dog. When I said dog. What do you think, dog?
Oh, let's not go down this alley.
No, I'm turning around.
Oh.
To back up. We're in the wrong place. Nope. I want to get the car going in the right direction. Right now, we're going the wrong direction. And let's see how we can. All right, give that. Turn it off.
What?
Are we still going? I mean, are we still? We're staying tonight and tomorrow night, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then we leave Friday morning?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great. truck back there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Green.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, damn. That's cool.
Oh, damn, it is cool. Yep. It used to be a huge driveway. This road I got regraded and now blocked in. Is that beeping? That's for the if you cross the line.
Yeah.
Or approach the line.
Mm-hmm.
Sensor detection.
Mm-hmm.
Roger guy is like a folksy wizard.
I know.
Like that.
Yeah.
This historian de
Yes, he is.
Of,
Yeah.
I mean, this guy knows it all. He's lived it all. His family's lived it all. This fog up here. Yeah, this is the spell. This is the enchantment that hooks people in West Virginia for sure.
Yep.
We don't have that. We don't have that in Pennsylvania or Ohio. No one talks about the magical allure of Pennsylvania. And then the only thing that binds all of Ohio together is Ohio State football. Would you agree?
Yeah, that is true.
People in Youngstown, do they like Ohio State football?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That doesn't interfere with their allegiance to Youngstown?
No.
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 Not at all.
Yeah.
Completely different. A sweet car commercial on these roads.
Oh yeah. If somebody competent were behind the wheel instead of me, it'd be an amazing commercial.
You know, especially during this time of year where I think everything's so lush and green.
Oh yeah. Look at this.
Nicely paved roads.
That's a nice change of pace.
Yeah.
close to our neck of the woods.
Looks like we're going into a tunnel.
I know, it's amazing.
Yeah.
Back to base camp.
Yep.
Nice. Rocking it with the kid on the back.
Yeah.
All right. He probably saw the camera. That's why he was waving.
Yeah, probably. It's a good chance.
Yep.
Where are the dinosaurs?
Where are the dinosaurs? Dun, 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 dun.
Yep, this way.
I think one of these days I'll figure this out.
Why would I think that?
You'd be wrong. If you're waiting for me to figure stuff out.
You'd be wrong to think that.
Don't hold your breath either. Tomorrow, I think we should do something where we're in the car again to camera with our mics on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And we need to take a better. I'll take a photo for the cover page. The cover.
Okay.
Of you doing something funny with a map or something.
Mm-hmm.
So we have something fun to put on.
Okay.
So if you're watching all the way to the end, you now know the amazing genesis of what the cover page is going to be. And you alone know how that all came to
Well, I'm wondering how the gravel is going to sound. You know, if that's going to really just pick up on the
on the
phone mic.
Oh yeah, it'd be great.
Or if it's just going to be too
Yeah.
distracting.
We'll see.
We'll see.